In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add personalization tokens to an email subject line in HubSpot so you can increase your open rates and make every email feel tailored to each contact. Personalization is one of the simplest ways to improve engagement, and HubSpot makes it incredibly easy once you know where to click. So let's walk through it step by step. First, log into your HubSpot account. From your main dashboard, go to the top navigation menu and click on Marketing. In the dropdown, select Email. This will take you to your email marketing dashboard, where you can see all your existing emails. From here, you have two options. You can either create a brand new email by clicking Create Email, or you can open an existing email that you'd like to edit. If you're practicing, I recommend creating a new regular marketing email so you can follow along without affecting a live campaign. Once you're inside the email editor, look at the very top section of the screen. You'll see fields for the internal email name, the subject line, preview text, and sender details. We're focusing on the subject line field. Next to the subject line input box, you'll see a button that says Personalize, or you might see a small person icon. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the Personalization token panel. Now HubSpot will ask you to choose the object you want to personalize from. This is important because personalization tokens pull data from your CRM records. You'll typically see options like contact, company, deal, and if you have custom objects set up, you may see those as well. In most marketing emails, you'll choose contact because you're sending the email to individual people and want to use their specific information. After selecting the object, you'll need to choose the specific property. For example, you can choose first name if you want your subject line to say something like, "John, don't miss this update." You could also choose properties like company name, industry, or city, depending on how you want to personalize your message. Let's say we select first name. Once you click on it, you'll see an option to insert it into your subject line. Before inserting the token, you'll also notice a field for a fallback value. This is extremely important. A fallback value is what HubSpot will use if that contact doesn't have a value for that property in your CRM. For example, if you're using first name, you might set the fallback value to there. That way, if the contact's first name is missing, your subject line will say "Hi there" instead of appearing blank or broken. Always add a fallback value to keep your emails looking professional and natural. Once you've added your fallback value, click Insert. You'll now see the personalization token appear directly inside your subject line field. It will look something like a dynamic placeholder, but don't worry, that will automatically populate with real data when the email is sent. You can combine personalization tokens with regular text as well. For example, you could write something like "First name, here's your custom report," or "A quick update for a company name." HubSpot will automatically replace that token with each recipient's actual data when the email goes out. After adding your personalization token, make sure to test your email. HubSpot allows you to preview the email as a specific contact. Use the preview feature to see exactly how your subject line will look for different contacts in your database. This helps you confirm that your fallback values are working correctly. Once you're happy with the subject line, continue setting up the rest of your email, review your settings, and send or schedule your campaign as usual. And that's it. You've successfully added personalization tokens to your email subject line in HubSpot. It's a small change that can make a big difference in open rates and engagement. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials and marketing automation tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.